My biggest business loser for 2022 is Visa and MasterCard and traditional payment rails and the entire ecosystem around it. So I think that this is the year you can put on what probably will be the most profitable spread trade of my lifetime, which is to be short these companies, and that anybody that basically lives off of this 2 or 3% tax and be long, well thought out Web3 crypto projects that are rebuilding payments infrastructure in a completely decentralized way.
Hey folks, welcome back to Chamath, Palhipitiya and friends. In today's video, we will show you why Chamath is bullish on XRP. Before we move on to the video, don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure that the post notifications are turned on so that you never miss a video from us. Without further ado, let's dive in. Cryptocurrency is currently focusing on asset-based models after exploring every nook and cranny of the finance sector, particularly in Asian countries. Digital tokens are becoming a security and day-to-day payment paradigm. As a result of the rising usage, many companies such as MasterCard are collaborating with crypto traders to create disruptive payment methods. At a time when both Bitcoin usage and staking are on the rise, Ripple and its ties to central finance institutions prove to be an excellent choice for investors. Cryptocurrencies are a developing technology that is aimed to pose a threat to the futures of a variety of markets. The cryptocurrency known as Ripple, officially known as XRP, is one of the crypto assets that aims to shake up an entire industry, notably the cross-border payments market. Ripple's goals for XRP are vastly different from what Bitcoin aspires to achieve. Both provide a way for cryptocurrency users to control their own assets. But Ripple was built for speed and has some of the lowest fees of any crypto asset. It appeals to banks because of these characteristics. Ripple's main target client is someone who wants to send large sums of money quickly at a reasonable cost. As a result, Ripple is considered to have the potential to replace SWIFT, the current standard for international bank communications, which requires slow speeds and expensive fees. Banks have been looking into Ripple's XRapid, which uses XRP to wire funds between two parties at breakneck speeds. Ripple may also pose a challenge to traditional cross-border payment businesses like Western Union and MoneyGram, as it just acquired a stake in the latter, prompting the stock price to skyrocket because Ripple has the potential to become the new standard in so many industries. Ripple has one of the best long-term price prospects of any crypto asset. The native cryptocurrency of Ripple technology is XRP. Ripple is the name of the organization that established the crypto token and helped to boost its acceptance at banks and other cross-border payment providers, as well as the blockchain network that XRP traveled through. The XRP cryptocurrency is designed as a payment currency that outperforms existing cryptocurrencies in terms of speed, which makes it particularly desirable. A transaction with Bitcoin, for example, can take up to 10 minutes to validate, but XRP and Ripple, confirmations can take as few as 5 seconds.
Now, I say this a lot, but people don't listen. This is the fastest adoption of any technology ever recorded in all human history. We are at a point in time where we are seeing adoption at a scale that we can't comprehend. Stuff like central bank digital currencies is an adoption of blockchain as the predominant way of transferring value.
Central bank-issued digital currencies will usher in a new era in the history of money and value exchange. However, there is certainly no good news regarding central bank digital currencies, and cryptocurrencies remain the most popular digital currencies. Government agencies and central banks, according to the World Economic Forum, are examining their capabilities to address recurrent global financial issues such as financial inclusion and payment system stability. They've named Ripple's XRP as the most prominent cryptocurrency for inter- and intra-bank payments and settlements in the burgeoning CBD market. You now have a better grasp of why XRP is so popular. You are aware, however, that governments, including central banks, take a long time to implement programs. It will take a long time for digital currencies to mature. In less developed nations, central bank digital currencies have a lot of potential for financial inclusion and payment innovation. These currencies will also be able to assist in the development of our new digital economy. Most importantly, central banks will have more influence over financial system liquidity, and the distribution of these type of assets will likely be more regulated by licensed institutions. Despite the fact that the agreement dissolved earlier this year, Ripple has had several collaborations with payment organizations for more than 5 years with MoneyGram, leveraging RippleNet for faster and cheaper cross-border transfers. The bulk of cryptocurrencies in the industry presently lacks the utility that XRP tokens provide. As a result of central bank digital currencies, most every other cryptocurrency may lose its competitive advantage over XRP tokens. Ripple is still a payment service provider that will employ XRP tokens to more value at the end of the day. As a result, the value of the XRP currency will climb as more transactions take place on the Ripple network. And Ripple achieves new agreements with global payment companies. With over 400 institutions using Ripple services, the value of XRP tokens is expected to rise in the future, which is wonderful news for all investors. XRP tokens are now trading at around $1. Therefore, now is a great time to invest in them because they are considerably more affordable. A proposal for a cryptocurrency regulatory framework has been issued by Ripple. Ripple's framework focuses on a few key areas, including ongoing private-public collaboration between the government and the crypto industry, an agreement to operate under current regulations, as well as pending crypto-specific bills currently before Congress, and the establishment of incubators where crypto startups can grow into the proposed policy framework. It's legitimate to wonder why the regulatory framework is being offered now, unless it's to prepare for a post-settlement situation with the Securities and Exchange Commission. It's possible that a deal may be made soon, but it's understandable that Ripple would like a clear glide path so that its operations can continue uninterrupted in the future. On the other hand, the timing could be coincidental, given that the alphabet soup of government agencies appears to be wasting time and arguing over areas of power in relation to stablecoins and cryptos in general. Perhaps it's a rushed response to Coinbase's own regulatory framework, which was only recently announced. Regardless, lawsuits don't endeavor forever, and the SEC's decision to reintroduce a tone of collaboration with government agencies, accommodation of existing regulations, and future vision is a prudent step. Ripple deserves credit for persevering in the face of adversity after the SEC initiated a lawsuit against them in December 2020. The Securities and Exchange Commission, or the SEC, and its chairman, Gary Gensler, are still on the clock. For optics and PR considerations, Gensler is running out of time and wants a neutral answer as soon as possible. The longer Gensler's lawsuit drags on, the more likely he will be appointed to his long-held ambition of becoming Treasury Secretary. It's been said that timing is everything, and the proposed regulatory framework for Ripple couldn't be more timely. Whether on purpose or not, this technique is bringing the SEC's legal action into the spotlight, potentially pressuring the SEC to seek a settlement. A resolution would almost certainly favor holders of Ripple and XRP. With this, we've come to the end. Will XRP replace the entire banking system? What are your thoughts on this? Do let us know in the comment section below. Subscribe for more content just like this one and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to smash that like button and press the bell icon to get notified about our new videos. Until then.